Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo. Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Pisces, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers ni Pisces at yung mga bago po nating mga viewers. Humingi po ako ng pangunawa sa inyo kung bakit ho medyo natatagalan po ako mag-upload on time. Dahil po, I'm trying to resolve po o gawa ng solusyon yung aking naging technical problem. Dahil po yung aking computer ay nasira, kaya kung mapapansin nyo, natagalan po yung huling 6 na zodiac sign. Unfortunately, yung isa nga po hindi ko na nagawa dahil nasira po yung kanyang nasira po yung ni-record kong reading para sa kanya. So, kaya ho nalilig ako. But hopefully ngayon medyo maayos na natin. At isa pang lagi ko po kasi nakikita sa comments is yung aking microphone is medyo mahina. Kaya I'm trying my best to upgrade po yung mga aking ginagamit po sa pagre-recording, and hopefully po na much better po to ngayon. At magpatuloy po na makapag-deliver po ako ng mas magandang video o recording para po sa inyong lahat. Okay, so Pisces, may nag-flip. Nakalagay dito, I'm afraid to lose you. Okay? Alam mo, Pisces, lahat naman tayo pag nakita na natin yung mahal natin sa buhay, yung talagang tunay nating mahal, alam mo, nasa puso na natin yung tao na yun, talagang andun yung parang kadikit na takot ka na mawala siya sa'yo. Kasi syempre, ayaw mong alam mo, you don't want to end that relationship as much as possible, you know? Kahit nga kung pwede sana wala nga yung death, yung mga part na gano'n, yung passing away, kung pwede sana, but of course, that is not the reality of life, no? Yun ang pinaka-ending kasi ng cycle ng buhay natin is when we pass away. But that part we need to really accept because all of us would go through that ending. But here, I think it is more of really parang magkaroon yung relationship ba maging sour, yung magkaroon ng misunderstanding, and then o magkaroon kayo ng pag-aaway, or sabihin natin ma-attract siya sa ibang tao, which is worst, no? Sakit yun. Kaya ito yung isa sa mga, sabihin natin, in a way, fear, no? Takot na baka mawala siya sa buhay mo. Pero syempre, we have to be strong, Pisces, and be more realistic about this, no? Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin na to be, stay positive about it, no? Kasi sometimes, di ba, hindi naman talaga natin nakokontrol kung ano mangyayari sa future. Maybe you're okay now, but later, things might go sour. Sabi ko nga, maging maiba na ang takbo ng inyong relationship. So, what I'm saying is, kung ano man yung pagdadaanan mo, be strong. Maging matatag ka. Okay? Kasi, yun lang ang paraan para makayanan mo lahat ito. Oo, masakit, mawala ng minamahal sa buhay. But it's, ano nga yun kung it's part of life. Maybe there should be a lesson that needs to be learned. Kaya siguro nangyari o mangyayari. Kaya, kung gaba, parang just be prepared for anything that would be coming in sa buhay mo. Ganun lang. Accept it that it is meant to happen and there is a lesson that needs to be learned. And you're not meant to be. Kaya siguro kayo nagkahiwalay. Things like that. Kasi kung talagang alam mo yung dadamdamin mo, mahirapan ka rin Pisces. I mean, emotionally, you will really suffer. Masakit sobra sa puso, sa damdamin. Kaya you need to learn, to, kung gaba parang adapt or accept yung mga realidad ng buhay. Okay? So, let us see muna sa tarot kung ano yung lalabas dito. If there will be a relation dito sa sinasabing message sa iyo, in general message. The Seven of Pentacles. The Fool. The Ace of Wands. The Hermit. And the Queen of Pentacles. Bottom niya, Pisces, is the Emperor. Okay. So, ang umpisa natin dito, Pisces, is the Seven of Pentacles. Ito yung sinasabi sa atin na matagal na kayo. Matagal na kayong naging mag-boyfriend, girlfriend, o mag-partner, or even husband and wife, whichever is applicable to you or whichever resonates with you. Kasi Seven of Pentacles is really putting in the effort. Okay? Exerting that time, energy, and love, and attention dun sa relationship. Kasi, ang susunod dito, syempre, 7 and then 8 of Pentacles. 8 of Pentacles is really working on it. Pinagtatrabahuhan mo na maging maayos yung relationship. This is more of really seeing it grow, paglaki. Paano mo siya nurture habang pinapalaki mo o sabihin natin, pinatatagal mo yung relationship as you go along. Parang ganun yung dating ni Seven of Pentacles. Sa past, this is what you have gone through. Talagang matagal na. Kung ba parang meron ka ng pinundar dito sa relationship na to. Yung oras mo, panahon mo, damdamin mo, nagpundar ka dito sa iyong person o doon sa ating cross-watcher or whoever, kung sining person in mind mo. Okay? Now, I think there were a particular challenge or problem that you were facing nung nakaraan na yun. This is the Fool. Energy coming from an Aries. Ito yung first card sa tarot, which is really acting upon impulse. Yung biglaan kang kikilos ng walang kaplano-plano. Parang out of the blue, naisip mo, alis na ako. Naisip mo na out of the blue, tawagan ko siya. Yung gano'n. Wala talagang yung hindi mo pinlano, hindi mo pinag-isipan. Basta bigla mong naramdaman na gusto mong gawin. That is exactly what this means. Biglaan siya. Walang preparation. Maybe the fact that you do this impulsively is because you wanted to get outright yung magiging result, di ba? Kung bakit ka uma-action agad is gusto mo na makuha ng resulta ng magiging action mo dun sa tao na yon. Siguro nga kasi dahil napakatagal na ng panahon na nagugol mo o ibinigay mo sa relationship na to. Maybe you felt it's about time that I should know, or kung gaba sabihin natin sa manliligaw, kailangan ko na makakuha ng sagot. Parang gustong malaman, tayo ba dalawa o hindi? Or mahal mo na ba ako o hindi? You know, parang let us set the rules straight once and for all. Parang ganun. Now, ang action to be taken is, ang sabi dito, Ace of Wands. Ace is a beginning. Pag-uumpisa. Pag-uumpisa ng pagpapakita ng passion towards that person. To let the person know exactly how you feel, or what are you feeling towards this person. You know, parang pinapakita mo na ngayon na, yes, I'm very passionate about you. I like you so much. There is this attraction towards you. Or I like to get to know you more. Gusto kitang mas makilala, no? Though alam ko matagal na nililigawan, but parang nakikita ko kasi dito, hindi ka nabibigyan ng oportunidad para mas makilala pa siya. Kaya parang sinasabi dito ng cards na if you act upon something that is very spontaneous, mabilisan, maybe you will able to get something na pag-uumpisa to show that passion, okay? Para ma-express nga yung liking na yon. At mag-umpisa yung pagiging malapit sa isa't isa. Of course, with the intention of getting to know the person more, na mas malalim mo pang siyang makilala. Kasi syempre hindi naman, alam mo yun na, let's put it this way, what I wanted to say na, if you really felt something special dito sa tao na to, hindi ba talagang aalamin mo lahat-lahat sa kanya? Yung gugustuhin mo talagang makilala siya ng lubusan. Hindi lang siya yung pang one night stand or pang tipong boyfriend girlfriend kami o mag-on kami ngayon pero later parang ayoko na. Hindi ganun eh. Gusto mo pang matagalan for the long haul. Okay? This one. Kaya ang intention mo with the Hermit, this is an energy coming from a Virgo. You wanted to know more. You wanted to have a more deeper perspective of this person. You want to gain that particular depth, yung lalim, para mas makilala siya. O makilala ka niya, no? Vice versa. Kasi pareho kayo, no? You need to know each other very well. Maybe the more that you wanted for this person to know you more, kasi you wanted to prove to this person na you're worth to be loved by this person. Okay? So, anong advice? With the Queen of Pentacles, this is an earth sign. So, you might be dealing Pisces with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, o meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. So, knowing that a Queen of Pentacles is somebody who is stable, secure, very down-to-earth, practical, loyal, friendly, hardworking, all of these good characteristics. So, ang sinasabi sa'yo dito, ang advice is, you're doing the right thing, no? By learning or trying to show or get to know the person more in a much deeper way, mas malalim, you will have that stability that you wanted with your earth sign. Kasi, I think that this person is also kung gaba parang ito rin yung inahanap niya eh. Yun yung tinitignan niya, yun yung gusto niyang meron sa isang relationship. You know, that stability, that feeling of security. Hindi lang financial, but also emotional. Remember, the Queen of Pentacles, of course, ang priority niyan is yung earthly material things. But not all of it. Of course, meron ding involvement yung puso, yung heart, yung emotion. Okay? So maganda siya, di ba? I mean, it is exactly what they wanted. And of course, referring to this general message, di ba, para nga hindi siya mawala sa'yo. Since you felt from the very start that you have invested a lot of your time, energy, effort, and emotion to this person, you will do everything to make them realize na ikaw nga, worth it ka, no? You're worth it. You're just like them, na talagang may value. Diba? Kasi kung ayaw mo mawala yung tao na yon, ipapakita mo talaga kung sino ka, na alam mo yung halaga mo, alam mo na ikaw yung tamang tao para sa kanya pagdating sa relationship. Okay? Maybe you love this person so much, kaya, di ba? Kaya talaga nag-i-exert ka ng so much effort. And you'll never know. Baka ganun din yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Hindi lang niya siguro ma-express itong person na to sa'yo right away. Maybe nung nakita niya na kung gaano kang katyaga. Kasi 7 of Pentacles agad no? Tiyaga mo dito There was really an effort here. Nare-realize niya siguro na ayokong mawala sa akin to. I could actually see this person's value, Pisces. No, nakikita ng person na to yung value mo, Pisces. Kaya ayaw din niya siguro mawala ka. No? It's just the same. I think the feeling is mutual. The back of the card is the Emperor. Again, this is a energy of an Aries. This is somebody, maybe you're dealing with a boss, no? Somebody older, somebody that is already a family man, or sabihin natin meron na siyang pamilya, or may katungkulan, boss, may sinasabi, maybe much older than you, or maybe sabihin lang natin na mature, no? Take it as it resonates. Kaya kung gaba parang you know this person in terms of yung kanyang halaga, hindi siya basta-basta. That's what I'm trying to say. Hindi to basta-basta yung tao na to. Let us check. Bakit andito yung 7 of Pentacles? Dito yung 7 of Pentacles. We have the Sun. The 10 of Pentacles. And the 6 of Pentacles. Wow. Yung matagal mo na pag i-invest o pagtsatsaga na pangliligaw o pag-iintay, ang dala nito ay kaligayahan, success, no? At hindi lang yun, lifetime partnership, which is what everybody wants. Now, this is the 10 of Pentacles. You're wanted to have it all with this person. Lahat. I mean, get married, have children, have a house, have a car, have a big fat bank account, travel, hanggat magkaroon kayo ng apo, forever. Okay? And the 6 of Pentacles is because you know how to give and take. Okay? You know how to give and take. Equal give and take. Marunong kayong magbigay at tumanggap equally sa isa't isa. May bigayan, no? May mutual respect for each other. Hindi yung isa lang ang nag-e-effort, yung isa itanggap lang ang tanggap. Hindi. I think it pays off na itong ginagawa mo na pag-iintay o pagtsatsaga para ipakita na you really mean business with this person. You really mean that you are totally in love with this person. Is going to give you all of this very positive energy. sa future mo. No? You'll be very happy because you're gonna have it all with this person and it will be all equally shared. Okay? Now, ba't andito yung Fool? Bakit andito yung Fool? We have the Ace of Pentacles, the Two of Wands, and the Seven of Wands. You acted foolishly because I think you were trying to have a new beginning. Magkaroon ng panibagong pag-umpisa. Maybe the fact that yes, this is what you wanted na ma-accomplish eventually. Kasi nag-intay ka na no? You're hoping na ito yung maging outcome. But since nga na medyo parang natatagalan ka na kasi, that's why you're hoping na magkaroon na sana panibagong pag-uumpisa to ulit. Parang malaman ko na. With the Two of Wands, you wanted to make a very important decision. Waiting to make that very important decision. Kasi nga, parang ang tagal-tagal ng waiting time. This is, the Seven of Pentacles is a waiting game, a waiting energy. Now, yung Seven of Wands is telling us na medyo cautious yung tao. Parang, sandali lang. Hindi pa ako handa. Teka muna. Parang ganun eh. Hold your horses. Mga ba? Huwag kang magmadali. Huwag mo akong madaliin. Yun ang gusto niya paratingin eh. Gusto mo na siya mag-decide. Kasi gusto mo na magkaroon ng panibagong pag-uumpisa. But, your person I think is saying, not yet. I'm not ready yet. Kaya nga, even if you acted upon impulsively with the Fool, hindi magiging ganun ka-positive yung niya behavior niya o yung reply niya sa actions na gagawin mo. Kasi merong nagpipigil sa kanya para gumawa ng desisyon. Bakit andito yung Hermit? Bakit andito yung Hermit? We have the Six of Cups, the Moon, and the Three of Pentacles. Pinag-iisipan mo, no? You're trying to study further or trying to get to know the person more. Kasi you felt that this person is somebody special, somebody from the past. Parang may gut feel ka telling you na this person is truly special. You know, alam ko na medyo kami, in a way parang meron kaming connection. Kung hindi man kayo naging kayo nung maliliit kayo, maybe you felt that this person is somebody special from your past life. Kasi nga with the Six of Cups, it is going back, going back to your childhood days na this person will come back to you one day to parang to continue yung naputol na relationship sa nakaraan. And of course, this is something very new to you. This is your energy, Pisces, the Moon. Hindi ka pa sigurado, no? It's still unknown. It might be still a secret for you. But hoping, no, with the Three of Pentacles na ma-work out natin yung relationship. Because this is all about being in harmony with each other, no? Maayos natin to. Itong relationship na to. Mawala na yung mga agam-agam or things that is being unknown. Or if there were any secrets at all, malaman na sana, magsabi na. Be honest. Yun yung pinag-iisipan mo, no? That's why we have the Hermit, because I think you're really trying to observe the person try to know more about what's happening sa inyong dalawa. And bakit andito yung Queen of Pentacles? Bakit andito yung Queen of Pentacles? We have the Five of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups, and the Eight of Pentacles. Okay, so itong energy na to, the Queen of Pentacles, sabi ko who actually wanted stability and security, no? If there's one thing na sabihin natin na medyo very cautious siya, na nag-iingat siya, is the fact na baka alam mo yung iiwan mo lang siya sa ere. You're just gonna leave this person nang walang, you know, na bigla mo na lang parang hindi na inintindi o nasikaso. Kasi baka, you know, baka nagkaroon ka na ng change of heart. Sabi nga nila, pag iiba ng damdamin. Maybe one is because you got tired na, pagod ka na, sa kakaintay, sa kanyang response. Tinitignan niya, maybe I think you're being tested here. Kung hanggang saan ka makakapag-intay. Because this person sees you to be the new beginning of love, no? Para sa kanya. Ace of Cups. And this new beginning needs to be worked on. Kailangan talagang pagtrabahuhan. Kailangan maano ka, yung magbibigay talaga kayo pareho ng effort sa isa't isa. Hindi ito basta-basta na sige, I like you and you like me, tayong dalawa na. Hindi ganun eh. For this person, gusto niya makita talaga na merong parehong pagbibigay halaga sa relasyon na to. Merong pagbibigay ng nurture, yung nurture, inaalagaan yung relationship. Hindi lang enough na kayo na. So yun yung mga bagay na what I see is your person is looking into. Yung tinitignan niya kung ikaw yun na magpo-provide nitong mga hinahanap niya sa isang relationship. I'm afraid to lose you. I will let you know exactly ito yon. The Five of Pentacles. Diba? I'm afraid to lose you. This could mean for both of you. Kasi nga sabi ko sa'yo, mali mo, baka gusto ka na niya, hindi pala niya masabi. Kasi, di ba sabi ko sa inyo na ayaw niya na maramdaman na baka iniwan mo na lang siya sa ere. Maybe your person also felt na sa past, may nagkaroon na siya mga ganong relationship na naiiwan lang siya. Baka this time, of course, ayaw rin niya maulit-ulit yun. And in your case, Pisces, of course, ayaw mo rin maramdaman yun. Kasi kung mahal na mahal mo na tong tao na to, di ba? Ayaw mo siyang mawala. You will do everything to really make it work. Di ba? Make it work. Parang in harmony. Magiging sila ba? Dalawa. Magiging silang dalawa ba? Yes. Again, papakita ko lang sa inyo yung cards. Let me put this away. Okay, this is the Three of Pentacles. This is the Three of Pentacles. So, something to be in harmony. Kailangan maayos kayo pareho. Para kayo maging kayo. You need to really, how to do that is of course you work on it. Pinagtatrabahuhan yan. Ginagawa mo ng continuous na pagkikare, pag-nurture, pag-aalaga, pagbibigay ng halaga, oras, panahon, pagmamahal syempre. Para magpatuloy yung magandang harmony na yun. Diba? At hindi siya mawala sa'yo. Kailan yung magiging sila na? It says here around May. Lagpas na tayo ng May. So maybe next year. Okay, something to look forward to. And ano pa yung advice for Pisces? Wow, it says here success. I know that there is no greater goal than to love. Yep. So magiging successful tong relationship na to. Because it's true love. I think with all the cards telling na, you know, from the very start, nag-intay ka, you took time, inalagaan mo, pinakita mo you persevere, that's the word, persevere, perseverance, nagtiyaga ka, nag-intay, naging very patient, and I think that would lead to success as the end result. Okay? So, maganda siyang reading, Pisces. I'm truly happy for you. Kung kanino mang itong energy na nakuha natin sa ngayon, sana nakatulong ito sa iyo ng malaki, Pisces. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.